How to add subtitles to a video using VEED. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add subtitles to a video using VEED. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, simply search for VEED. You can head over to veed.io as well. If you didn't know about VEED, VEED is an AI video editing tool and you can use it for a wide range of applications. So simply open up VEED and start a new project. I'll open up a new project here and then import a video. Well, let's say this is the video that I want. I'll just import it like this. I'll just drag it and drop it. And there we go. Now what you'll need to do is on the left sidebar, you'll find an option that says subtitle. Now, as you can see, it's uploading to the cloud as well. So head over to subtitle and let it be uploaded to the cloud. And after that, what you can do is you can simply use this to create your subtitles. As you can see, auto subtitle in English. Now, if you're using a free version, you will have 1 minute, 15 seconds of transcription minutes. So if you use this transcription minutes, the longer your video is, you can use up that much transcription, but you can always upgrade, and that's really simple. So tap on auto generate your subtitles, and the generation should start taking place. And it's basically that simple. Now, this can take some time depending on how long your video is, and there you can see the the subtitles is already added. And yeah, that's basically how you do this, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.